from Jurassic Park. Rah! Today, in this video, we are looking at which thing is longer than the other one. Which thing is longer than the other one? To start, let's begin. We have the blue whale. The blue whale. Or a Boeing 737 aeroplane. A Boeing 737 aeroplane. Which one do you think is longer than the other one? The blue whale or the Boeing 737? Have a think. Let's find out. The blue whale is 30 meters. The blue whale is 30 meters. The Boeing 737 is 35 meters. 35 meters. So, the Boeing 737 is longer, it's longer than the blue whale. The Boeing 737 is longer. On to the next. Now we have Big Ben in London. Big Ben in London. Or the Statue of Liberty in New York. Which one is longer? Which one is longer than the other one? Have a think. Let's find out. Big Ben is 93 meters long. Big Ben is 93 meters long. The Statue of Liberty is 96 meters long. 96 meters long. So, the Statue of Liberty in New York is longer. The Statue of Liberty in New York is longer than Big Ben in London. It is 96 meters versus 93 meters. The Statue of Liberty is bigger. It's longer than Big Ben. Now, on to the next one. We have the Tyrannosaurus Rex. The Tyrannosaurus Rex, the T-Rex. Rah! I'm a dinosaur. That's obviously extinct from Jurassic Park. Rah! Or a yellow school bus. Or a yellow school bus. Which one is longer than the other one? Which one is longer than the other one. The T-Rex, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, or the yellow school bus. What do you think? Have a guess. Have a guess. Let's find out. Let's find out. The T-Rex is 12 meters long. The T-Rex, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, is 12 meters long. The yellow school bus is 12 meters long. So they are both the same length. They are both the T-Rex and the yellow school bus are the same. They are the same length. They are exactly the same length. Okay. Did you know that? I did not. Now, let's move on to the next object thing. Now we have the Titanic, the ship that crashed into the iceberg. Oh no, Jack, Rose, save me, help. And they froze to death and they all died in, I think, 1066. No, it's the Battle of... Never mind. The Titanic ship that crashed and everyone died. They died. They crashed into an iceberg. Or the Icon of the Seas, which is a modern ship. It's a modern ship. Which one is longer than the other one? Which one, the Titanic or the Icon of the Seas, is longer than the other one? Have a think. Have a think. Take a guess. Do you know? Do you know? Let's find out. Let's find out. The Titanic was 269 meters long. 269 meters long. Very, very long. Very long. The Icon of the Seas is 365 meters long. 365 meters long. So the Icon of the Seas is much longer. It's much longer than the Titanic was. Much longer. 269 meters to 365 meters. Okay, did you get that? Let's have a look at the next one. Now we have Central Park in New York, Central Park in New York, or the San Francisco Bridge in San Francisco? Wait, the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. The Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. San Francisco. So, which one is longer than the other one? Which one is longer than the other one? Central Park or the Golden Gate Bridge? Have a think. Have a think. Take a guess. Take a guess. Do you know the answer? Do you know the answer? Let's find out. Central Park is 4,000 meters long. 4,000 meters long. Now, let's have a look at the Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge is 2,737 meters long. 2,737 meters long. So, Central Park is much longer than the Golden Gate Bridge. Central Park is much longer than the Golden Gate Bridge. It's almost double the size. Did you know? I did not know. Okay, if you knew any of the answers, let me know. Let me know in the comments below. Type in the comments below if you knew the answer. I will see you in the next 1 second. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Peace. Bye-bye.